This Good to Go segment is made possible by Spectrum Health Medical Group.
The countdown is on. The Amway Riverbank Run is less than 6 weeks away, and it takes place on Saturday, May 11th, when more than 18,000 people will be coming together downtown Grand Rapids. And here to talk about Spectrum Health's role as the official medical provider for the run is Dr. Axtman, a physician with Spectrum Health Orthopedics. So, welcome.
Thank you.
And thank you for being here. So, tell us a little bit about Spectrum Health's involvement.
Yeah, Spectrum Health Sports Medicine is so excited to be involved with the Amway Riverbank Run. This is our second year as the medical providers, and we are just looking forward to another great race. We've got around 80 individuals and 80 providers that are going to be dispersed throughout the course at different aid stations, and this is going to include ER physicians, sports medicine physicians, physical therapists, athletic trainers, nurse practitioners, physician assistants, and nurses. So we've got you covered. If there's anything that you've got going on during that race, stop at one of the aid stations and we're there for you. We've also been doing other things such as writing articles and blogs in regards to different injuries and ailments and things that runners would be undergoing while they're going through the training, so that they've got the information so that they can keep on the road and keep with their training.
Yeah.
And we've also been at the the training runs at the first of the month down at the downtown YMCA for the Riverbank runs as well too, to provide medical care.
And that's perfect. I have a runner's knee. I ran cross country, and I wish I would have had something on hand like this, especially when you're competing and you're, doing something for a cause.
Yes.
And so why does Spectrum Health want to be involved?
Well, one of the core missions of Spectrum Health is to provide and improve medical care and health within the community. And this is just one way that we can give back to the community as well too. The Amway Riverbank Run is the largest 25K in the country, and being a locally based healthcare organization, it's only fitting that we provide the medical services for this awesome and great opportunity and race right in our backyard.
Yeah, and so you're not just working with athletes, you're working with people who also ride wheelchairs and are doing other types of activities. So how can people just come up to you and be like, hey, I have all this crazy stuff going on, so what do I do?
Yep, so if there's anything, any ailments or anything that you have, we're there for you. So if anything happens during the race, just stop at one of the aid stations, and we've got everything there possible to be able to take care of you so that you can cross that finish line.
And so tell me about Spectrum Health's orthopedic program and why it's so robust and it's doing well.
Yeah, Spectrum Health Orthopedics, what I have to say is we've got some unsurpassed orthopedic providers in the West Michigan area. We've got you essentially covered head to toe. If it's anything from a sport concussion to a shoulder injury, ankle injury, fracture, shoulder, knee, hand, anything that you have, we have trauma, we have total joint, we have hand surgery, sports medicine, foot and ankle providers, and so we're there to do anything and take care of any injury that you have.
Yeah, you got it all. And so for somebody who's coming out to this run for the first time, what should they expect as far as the environment and, and help and everything like that?
Well, first of all, we're hoping for great weather for the race. That's one of the
sure.
most important things, because when the weather's a little bit cooler, individuals can tend to have less injuries with that. But the biggest thing I say right now is if you're undergoing training, if you are having any injuries, any aches, any pains that are lingering on a little bit more than what just a couple of days of rest would be, it's definitely something that I would have you to come in so that you can get evaluated, so that we can get you across that finish line and meet the goals that you want to do by finishing that race. But even if you aren't an athlete and you have some kind of an orthopedic complaint or an issue, we're there for you as well too. And one of the other things with our orthopedic group is we also have an urgent care center as well too, the orthopedic urgent care, and it's a walk-in. So if you do have any issues and problems, you don't need an appointment. You can just walk right in and we'll take care of you.
That's awesome. And we have some info about how you can look at their urgent care, where it's at, and how you can download some tips and how to, be ready for that run May 11th. Thank you so much, Dr. Axtman. And if you would like to visit and know more about the run, you can visit our website, 13onyourside.com. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
This Good to Go segment is made possible by Spectrum Health Medical Group.